what this data set? In the message box I have pasted it. Okay, so take it, and these are the libraries we use while performing our here what we will perform, whether our data set, email based data set has a spam email or not a spam, because logistic regression is nothing but a classification algorithm, but only the name has been given to the regression, but it is not regression, it's a classification algorithm. Just mind it, because every time people gets confused about the classification, regression and all. So logistic regression, linear regression, these two things are different. For linear, you get the continuous result, okay, but here you get result 0, 1 in probability, happiness, not happy, like that. You get outcome, binary result you get, okay, whether it will happen or not, whether what is the probability of it, uh, head or tail, like that. So here we will be finding whether this has, our data set has spam or not. So here all the libraries I have imported. Okay, so here the data set, number of links. The number of links what we got in our inbox is 2, 10, 1, like that, and has a spammy words. So whatever the number of links what we got has a spammy words, that is into this 1, 1, 0, 1 is a spammy words, 0 is not. Okay, email length means 100 words, 200 words email length. It signifies. Okay, a spam, whether it has a spam, mail is a spam or not. Okay, so 1 is for not a spam, and this for 0 is for spam. Okay, so here X number of links has spammy words and email length. These are independent variable, and Y is dependent variable. Okay, spam, because we have to get the result on the basis of this, whether our email or email box has a spam box or a spam, our email is a spam or not. Okay, so X-train, X-test, like that, we will split the data. We have, out of the 100 data, we have 30% of data for the test and 70% for the training. Okay, this test size 30% for the testing purpose, and 70% of data for the training purpose. Okay, so model we have selected is logistic regression. Okay, the model dot fit, we pass the variable X train and Y train. Okay, and here we will print spam detection report. So what we will get, let's see. After running this code, so this is the spam detection matrix. Okay, so you need to focus on this. You need to understand first what is all those things: precision, recall, F1 score, support. These things decide whether our model has a spam or not. Okay. Here for class 0, this one, class 0, the precision is 1. Here you are seeing precision is 1. Means every email the model classified as not a spam was actually a spam. Okay. So here class 0 not a spam signifies, but here we get precision as 1. It means the model was giving us that this model has not a spam, but precision report is 1. That's why this model is not correct. Okay, so this is not a spam. Okay, for class 1, this one, we got precision 1, means model has a spam. So this is predicting, actually this model has a spam. Okay, so this is, here the precision report is right. For the recall, sensitivity or true positive rate, this is called recall. Okay, correctly predicted positive cases. Okay, out of all the actual positive cases, in other words, what we can say that out of all the actual spam email, how many did the model correctly identified? So for this class 0, the recall is 1. Recall is 1 means the model correctly identified all not spam email. Okay, for class 1. So recall is 1.00. So this means also the model correctly identified all spam emails. Okay, so this model is correct. For spam, F1 score, F1 score is nothing but harmonic mean of precision and recall. Okay, it provides a balanced measure of models performance, especially dealing with imbalanced data set. Okay, not proper data set we are getting. So for, at that point, F1 score is very handy. Okay, for both cases, F1 score is 1, indicating that the model is perfect. So this is relating precision and recall in a balanced way. Okay, support support here 2 or 1. Just focus on 2 and 1. So support is the number of actual occurrence of each class in the data set. There are 2, not spam emails, class 0. Okay, for class 0, there are 2 support. For 1, it's class 1. Accuracy, the overall accuracy of the model, which is proportion of correctly classified samples out of the total number of samples. The accuracy is 1, meaning the model correctly classifies all the three emails. Okay, here macro average signifies that precision, recall and F1 score is 1. Okay, look at this. Macro average precision is 1.00, recall is 1.00, and F1 score is 1.00, indicates that the this performs perfectly across both classes for these classes 0 and 1. Okay, macro average, if it is 1, 1 and 1, so this signifies that this is performing perfect. Okay, so this model is performing correct. Our model is able to detect whether our mailbox has email or spam or not. Okay, weighted average is the is calculates weighted average calculates the metric of each class and then takes the average of weighted by the number of samples in each class. Means support this one also. The weighted average for the precision, recall and F1 score is 1, again indicating perfect performance. Okay, so you can analyze for the for other example also, who is loan defaulter or not. The third one is whether this patient is having a tumor or not. Okay, according to the size of malignant tumor size. Okay, we can design whether this has tumor or not. Again, for the customer churn is nothing but whether employee or our customer is leaving our services or it will continue to avail our service. Okay, so this is customer churn is all about. You people are doing for this data set? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so shall I give you this also?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So these two things I have shared with you. Now you can do that. Giving you 5 minutes, just perform this and show me the same result as I got. Anyone can show. Okay. Then we will go for next one. Okay. Anyone do it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Do it. Just waiting for you. Whether you got the result or not, or did you understand whatever I told you? In AIML, this is the part of machine learning, okay? Artificial intelligence is part of artificial intelligence. So in the companies, um, time and again you need to perform these kind of work. So you will be getting different work, but this is the practical things you need to know. These are the industry level scenarios. So we are explaining it. Okay. Done? Anyone? Got the same result? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Got this?
Sir, we are typing, that's why it's taking time. You can continue. We can also tell in class if we have a problem.
Okay, okay, no
Because
problem. Can I
yes,
continue with the other examples? Customer
sure.
churn?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Okay. So this data set, so look at this data set. Monthly charges, tenure, contract monthly, churn. Okay. So monthly charges, if you are opting for Airtel service, whether you are having monthly plan or some other plan, okay. So how many month you are continuing? So 12 month, 8 months, somebody is having for 1 month, okay. So monthly charges 30 rupees, 45 rupees, like that it is. And churn is whether you will continue or not. Zero is you will continue, or one is you will not continue for the longer run. Okay. This data set also I am just pasting into a message box so you can practice. at your home whenever you get time. Okay, so here we will create the data frame. Okay, already libraries has been imported here. Okay, no need to import libraries again. So here dependent variable is monthly charges and tenure. Monthly charges for which plan they have opted. Okay, and tenure, how many month or days they will be continuing the service. Okay, churn means whether they will opt out of the service or plan, or otherwise they will continue with it. Okay, so here we have taken the test size 30% and 70% for training purposes. Okay, so now let's see what we get the result like. See here for class 0 precision is 0.50. Okay, so this signifies out of all the customer model predicted not churn, only 50% actually stayed. The other 50% were predicted wrongly. Okay, for class 1, so precision is 1.00. Okay, so that every customer the model predicted will churn, actually they churned. Okay, they left it. Okay, left our plan. Okay, this is perfect precision for the churn class. Okay, means churn class means 1, class 1. Here recall is 1.00. So for class 0, recall is 1.00, means that the model correctly identifies all the customers who actually did not churn, means did not opted out of the plan, did not left our plan. Okay, there were no false negative for this class. Okay, false negative means class 1, for class 1, so precision is 1.00. Means the only 50% of here the precision is they churned. Okay, for recall for class 1 the recall is 0.50. Okay, for class 1 means model only identified 50% of the customers who actually churned. It missed 50% of the actual churners. Okay, they did not get the result. Okay, 50% they did not write for the 50%. F1 score, F1 score of this is 0.67, means it is balanced. Okay, precision and recall, because it lies between 0.50 to 1.00. That's why it is balanced. Same for class 1, it is 0.67. So it is balanced. Okay, support class 0 no churn, there was only one customer who did not churn. Okay, class 1, there there were there were two customers who did not churn. Accuracy, the accuracy, overall accuracy of the model is 0.67, meaning it correctly predicted 67% of the customers. Okay, so model is performing good. Okay, for macro average calculates the matrix independently for each class and then takes the average. Okay, weighted average is nothing but it calculates the matrix of for each class and then takes the average weighted by the number of samples in each class. So here next is for the admission prediction, whether they will take admission or not. Okay. So here two exam scores are here. Okay. Dependent, independent variables are two exam scores. Okay. So 50 marks, 60 marks, 65 marks, 70 marks. This is exam score 1. Okay. Second one is exam 2 score. Okay. Here 55, 65, 70 like that marks, whatever the students have scored. And admitted, this signifies whether they will take admission or not. 0 is for yes they will or otherwise not. Okay. So if we run this, what we get the result. Okay. So this signifies all score 1 means perfectly this is giving the result. Okay. So all people will take the admission. Okay. This is 0 is for not taking admission, 1 for they will take the admission. Okay. This is tumor size. Okay. Cell density. Two independent variable and malignant, whether this will have the tumor or not. Okay. The person will have tumor or not. This data set, will you want to get this data set?
Yes, sir.
You people can also prepare the data set. Okay. This is just to practice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you explain this? Anyone? What this data set says? Whatever I told you. So could you please explain this? Anyone? If you understood. Otherwise, then you will be able to explain this. What this data set says? For the class 0, if precision is 1 means this is predicting right or not. Hello?
Sir, the 0 1 is not predicting right, but the 1 is predicting, I guess.
Yes, you are right. Okay, you got it.
Sir, I have a doubt. Like, how do we know 0 is for what and 1 is for what? Like, sometimes 0 is for not and 1 is.
Yes, you are right. Because we have to decide. Here we can like write, okay, 0 is 0 is for no tumor, okay, and 1 for likewise. Okay.
So, sir, then according to the result, everybody will have tumor.
Yeah, so by mistake. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay. No, it's not like that. No.
Because, sir, in previous example, na, you were saying because the result was 1.00, so you said everybody will take admission. So that's why I said.
Okay, here also we have to define. Okay, sorry. It's okay, no problem. 0 for not take admission. One for will take admission. So here it's not predicting, no? One means it is not predictive. Here will not take admission means okay. So likewise you can do that. Okay. This non defaulter, will you work for this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This data set you have?
Yes, sir. I have taken screenshots of every example.
Okay, okay. So next we will have one more example. Let me show you from this. No, no, no. This already we did it. Okay. This is in the CSV format. Okay. Have you people done the CSV format data analysis already?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem then. So I'll show you some other. I did it for this. One link was there. I wanted to give you that link. Yes, you can practice this. Okay, this also is for what you call email spam or not. Okay, so just practice this for this data set. Okay, so we will get this DF like this. Okay, data frame like this. Practicing. Your result is different. Okay, so look at this result. Class 0 precision of 0.96 means that out of all the instances the model predicted as class 0, 96% were actually class 0. Okay, in other words, when the model says not class 1, it correct 96% of the time. Okay, class 1 precision of 0.99 means that out of the all the result, the model predicted as class 1, 99% were actually class 1. When the model says class 1, it's correct 99% of the time. Okay. You will face issue here. Okay. So it will not run. So try to run like this. Okay. I think you people will face. So try to use this. Okay. And import all the necessary libraries so that will support. Confusion matrix. Have you heard of it? Confusion matrix?
No, sir.
Okay, I tell you. So look at this. This is confusion matrix. Okay. Row represents the actual true table labels. Okay. Row. This one. 14, 46 and 2 is row. Okay. This is column. This is column. Okay. Column represents the predicted labels. Okay. This part is actual and this part is predicted. Okay. 14, 46. This is the true negative count. It means the model correctly predicted 1446 instances as class 0 when they were actually 0. Means when they were actually not spam. This is the false positive count. It means 2 times. This one. 2 times. This was false positive. It means the model incorrectly predicted 2 instances, 2 mails. That was not spam, but it predicted it is spam. Okay, like that. When they were actually class 0. Bottom row, this one, 53 and 171. Look at this. This is the false negative. It means the model incorrectly predicted 53 male as class 0, not a spam. But they were actually a spam. Okay. For this 171, this is the true positive. It means the model correctly predicted 171 instances at class 1 when they were actually class 1, means they were actually a spam.
Sir, can you repeat once again?
See, look at this. This one is actual row. Here it is predicted one column. This is bit confusing. That's why its name is confusion matrix. That's why I'm explaining you. This side, row wise, think like actual. This is called actual. Okay, getting? And this one, vertical things is predicted one. Got it? Again, I am explaining. Don't worry about that. Confusion matrix is a table that visualizes the performance of a classification model by showing the count of true positive, true negative, false negative predictions. Okay. So in this case, we have binary classification problems. So this is the matrix of 2, 2, 2 cross 2 table. Okay. I told you rows. This one represent actual table. Okay. And this one represents predicted one, column 1. Column wise represents predicted table. Okay. So this is actual one is class 0. Okay, class 0. And this one is class 1. Okay. Got it? Hello?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you repeat those things that you were saying now that it will be spam, the model incorrectly predicted,
Yes.
those things
Yeah.
that was confusing.
Yeah, 0, 0, 0. Yeah, obviously, because 1 and 0 is bit confusing. No. So 0, let's suppose 0 is for not spam. Okay, forget about everything. Okay, just 0 is for not spam, and 1 is our mailbox has spam. Okay, got it? Now clear? For this,
Yes.
okay. Now coming to confusion matrix. Confusion, what is confusion matrix? Got it? Confusion matrix.
Yes.
Row wise is actual 0. Okay, actual table, and column wise is predicted one. What our model will predict. Okay, like that you think. Okay, 1446 mail was true negative. It means the model correctly predicted these instances as 0, not a spam. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
For this 2 email that was predicted, okay, a spam, not a spam, but it was a spam. Got it?
Yes, sir. Now got it.
Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Should I repeat one more time?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay. For the second row, 53 and 171. Okay. This is the false negative. Okay, count. It means the model incorrectly predicted 53 email as 0. Means it was not a spam, but it was a spam. Okay. Got it? For the
Yes.
7, for 7, 171, 171. So this is true positive count. This means model correctly predicted this much of email was class 1, means not a spam, means a spam it was. Okay, now clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I have shared with you the link, this link. Got this link?
Yes, sir.
Try to run. You are getting like this data frame like this. Just run. I just wait, because here only you will get the problem. That's why I have rewritten it and pasted in your message box, so you cannot face any error now.
Sir, we can practice and tell you in tomorrow's class because typing will take so much
No, no,
time.
no. Just practice this only. This type this only. This part only.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. I am not asking you to type everything. Okay. Just practice this. Everyone, because when you do it, no, you will face this. That's why I want you to practice here only.
Sir, we can do this in like we can do df is equals to pd dot read csv. Then in the bracket we can also put the link. In that way we can do.
No, that gives us error. If try. That's why I'm asking. No, just try. Because when I was doing, no, I got the error. So I these things. As it has been done, no, like that you should do it. Okay. How accuracy is calculated and precision, these things, shall I tell you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Accuracy is calculated like true positive plus true negative divided by true positive plus true negative plus false positive plus false negative. So you people might have studied in your class. Okay. These things have been mentioned. Have you heard of this? Have you practiced it?
No, sir.
No, no problem, no problem. Okay. Just I am typing in message box formula for this, so you people will be able to understand it and implement it in the code. Okay. Accuracy is accuracy equal to true positive plus true negative divided by true positive plus true negative plus false positive plus false negative. And now the confusion matrix is clear or not? Shall I repeat again? If you want me to, then I will repeat again also. Again. Or no need to repeat?
No, sir. It's clear.
No, because it's a bit confusing. That's why I'm asking again and again. Did you get the result? Hello?
Sir, it's showing URL open error.
Open error. Why?
पता नहीं सर.
क्यों पता नहीं चल रहा? Let me run. Did you put this in? So mine is running. Why it is showing you? Why?
Sir, I'll check it. I'll do again and then see what is the error.
Okay, no problem. Do it in your home. Okay. So I have pasted all the formulas. Okay, necessary formulas. So you can practice. Okay, mathematical formula. These things are. Okay. So this is needed. Okay then. So you can practice.
Okay, sir.
Any other data set you want? So I can share with you. Hello.
Sir, these are enough. Else we can also make our own data set and practice.
Okay. Try to use the Kaggle dataset. Have you used?
Yes,
Kaggle?
sir. Yes, sir.
Try to get dataset from Kaggle and practice it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Try to practice this again and again, because this is the machine learning things and this is very much needed in industry. Okay. That's why I'm focusing it. That's why I'm telling you to practice more and more. Okay. These things is a bit confusing. So if you practice more, so you will get to know more about this in a clear way. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So everything is clear. Confusion matrix and this classification report and all. You will
Yes,
be
sir.
so.